Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be using this stuff that I got from this month's vettsy box. Now I do apologise for the noise in the background. That is my tumble dryer. I'm trying to dry some bedding. So first things first is I'm going to be going in with this colour that I got from vettsy, and I'm going to be putting that on all 5 of my nails. Now I only show you putting on the first coat, but after I've cured this first coat I do go in and put a second coat down. And I find with these solid gel polishes, so you don't get like that streaky finish, is, don't be too skimpy with it. Be nice and light with the brush and take your time, and it will go on lovely and smooth as you see here. Now I am also doing my offhand, so you will probably, the hand that is holding the brush, which is my left hand, you will probably periodically see it shaking. I do apologise about that. It's due to some of the medications that I take, because I am disabled. So once I've done my 2 coats of that, I'm going in with just my velvet matte top coat over some of the nails, just to because I'm going to be using chrome. There's certain parts of the nail I don't want the chrome to stick to, so when I want to do that, I use the velvet matte top coat. And then once that is cured, I'm going in with that same colour, and I'm just going to be doing a simple French in that same nude colour that I've used on the rest of the nails. And once I've lined it out, I fill it in. I go by eye when I'm doing Frenches. It's, they're not that hard to do. And once I've cured that, I am going to be going in with this chrome powder that I got in the box, and I'm dabbing that on the pinky finger and the pointer finger where I did that French, and it makes it in a really pretty gold French on top of the nails. The little dabber thing I'm using I also got in the box this month, because I try and do a nail art where I'm using as much of the stuff as possible. So now I'm going in with another solid gel polish that I got in this box, and it is a glitter, and it is really, really cool. It is iridescent, and it will change colour depending on what colour background you put it on. So say you put it over the top of a white gel polish, it looks pink and purpley glitter. If you put it over a dark nail polish like black or grey, the glitter actually looks green and blue. So that is a really cool, because it means you can use the same gel polish but get 2 different looks out of it. So now I am going in with some gold laser foil, and putting that over and covering the thumb up completely. I was trying to get the bits off of the lid. Using the dabber was not much cop, to be fair, so I just grabbed a chunk with my fingers and rubbed that on. Completely not in frame. Again, I need to get better at making sure stuff is in frame so you can actually see what I'm doing, but I'm just grabbing it and rubbing it on over the nail. And this is where in a second you will see that I didn't, my camera stopped recording, so you didn't get to see the rest of it, but I just put some star charms and I used the gold flame stickers on one of the nails, and this is the finished look. I hope you really liked it, and I'll see you in another video, guys. Stay safe. Bye.